Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here at Red Hills Crossroad. Oh, you still have that bike?
Yes, I do. Sweet up there, sir.
Okay, alright. This is one of the big farmers, you know? I don't know, it's all about plantation, we're not itch. It's all about farming, planting, growing crops.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Yeah, as you can hear the rooster crowing. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I'm here at Red Hills Crossroad. Alright, yeah man, seeing. So we're right at the crossroad. Rooster make nice, yeah? Right at the crossroad at Red Hills here. Yeah, going up to Campbell's, alright? So you don't know my people, it's all about the plantation. So we start from here, right in the plantation we go. Alright, there's a church here. You soon get the name of the church, alright? We're heading on to Campbell's, right up the hill. Alright, my people? So, don't touch that dial and please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yes, my people, you don't know, it's all about plantation, we're not itch. We are going right tonight, alright? So you don't know. I leave out a Red Hills, you know. Red Hills, left Red Hills Crossroad, yeah, heading on to Campbell's. So here we are going on, my people. Don't touch that dial. Seeing? You don't know. It's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Dip on it, my people. Watch me now. Morning, Marsha. Yeah, that is one of them, the most popular taxi on the road, you know, Marsha. Alright? Yes, my people. Up at the road we go, up at Campbell's, alright? Yes, I. I'm Mr. Farming. It's what I say, so you don't know it's all about farming, planting, growing crops. You know what I mean? So yes, my people. Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, and I'm here heading towards Campbell's. Alright? Yeah man, my viewers and subscribers, yeah? As you can see, I'm on the road heading to Campbell's. So don't touch that dial. This is the journey, it's all about farming. Yeah? It's all about farming. As you can see, there's a chuck pass here. You notice?
Farmers Hut.
Yeah, this chuck pass is all about yam stick. This is where the guys them yam stick for the yam to jump the yam, you know what I mean? Yeah, so my people, it's all about farming. As you can see, my viewers, there is a hut over there in that plantation. And as we come across, there is one more here. So remember when I said we move from hut to hut? It's all about farming. There's the next hut over there. Alright? Yeah, it's all about farming. Here is a nice bunch of plantain. Yeah. Nice bunch of plantain, my people. Yes, my people. This is one of the miracle plant. Blue vervain. We call it vervine. Alright, my people? This plant is very good, full of medicine for the human body, alright? So it's all about plantation, but when we pass through and see the miracle plant, them have to show them. You know? Blue vervain, vervine. Countryman, we call it vervine, alright? It's my viewers and subscribers. Reach at a nice plantation, you know? Yeah. This plantation is at a home. Mr. Pleasure. Yeah. Mr. Pleasure. Sir Pleasure. Yeah, morning. Yeah, man. Dip on the farm, you know, with Pleasure. Alright, Pleasure. I can see that you have a whole heap of thing here, Pleasure. Yeah, for real. My God, you're a farmer. You're a farmer, Pleasure. Yeah, so across the road is your farm also. My God, my people. Yeah, it's all about farming. We have to farm. Have to eat. Have to eat, yeah.
You can't lose by farming, you know?
For real, man, for real, man. Alright, Pleasure, give me the last talk, you know, cause me go up on the hill there. Yeah, so it's been a good while since you start farming here.
Farmers.
Oh yeah, that's a lot, man. So you still have that bike?
Yes, I do.
Okay, alright. Yes, the people, this man is the man who ride the bike and himself food also, you know. So you see, if you want food, you can make a request. This man carry the food right to your doorstep. Yeah, man. Yeah, without a doubt, you hear that? Yeah. Alright, this is the transportation. And as you can see, he's doing some work on it right now. Right, because he's waiting on his phone to make a ring. To run to the plantation and then run to the homes. You know what I mean? Lion art. So yeah, Mr. Pleasure. My God. Yeah. Pineapple. All type of tree. June plum tree. My God. Yes, Pleasure, you're going well. You cook everything. You can't hungry. Can't hungry. Yeah, this is the next entrance. My God. Yeah. Mr. Pleasure, home unique, you know. As a farmer, your place have to unique, especially when you have a transportation. Yeah. Oh, we have a little banana here just start to push out. We have all jelly pan tree, my people. Yeah, yeah. Pear just a come in, yeah? My God, everything is here. Everything is here, so Mr. Pleasure have to get busy most of the time. You see him fly past down the road, yeah? Him gone on a mission. Yes, my people. Farm nice, this farm here nice. Nice, man. Alright, Mr. Pleasure, we're gonna leave out and go up further up on the hill, so manners and whole heap of respect. Here?
Yeah, man, respect same way.
Alright, so look out for on YouTube for this video here, you know? Jamaican Farmers Hut. And you're good to go. Okay, Mr. Pleasure. Same to you, sir. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, Mr. Pleasure, I come up on one hand, going down on the other hand, yeah? You see, as a farmer and you have a transportation, you have to have a unique road, you know? So I'm saying, so my viewers and subscribers, that was Pleasure's farm, alright? Cool. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, as you can see, we are here now in Campbell's. Alright, you can see all the plantation all over. Yeah. When it comes to Campbell's, it's all about yam farm, you know what I mean? Yeah. Sweet pepper and all those things, cabbage. Alright, my people. My viewers, as you can see, there are some yam that plant already, and there is 2 line of bank. Don't plant out as yet, just dig. Freshly dig. Alright, my people. It's all about yam. As you can see, my people. Yeah, the plantation is green. Yeah, get rain very often here, alright? This is one of the big farmer, you know? Big farmer, big farmer. This man goes by the name of Siaga. Yeah. What you have in your answer? So you have so much oil so early? Or you have so much oil so early, brother? Eh? You drink too much, sir. You have to take time with the drinking, man. And eat some callaloo. What they call you again?
Bam.
Bam! Oh, Siaga Bam. Alright, Siaga Bam, you don't know. I'll go up in the hills, alright? Cool, yes I. Alright. Yeah, yes, Bam.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Jamaican Farmers Hut.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.